giornate sole, aria è serena dopo la tempesta, and cheese from Brač, and wine, which is not ready yet, but it will be very soon. So please come and taste this with me. We are inviting you to that magic island of Brač. It's wonderful. Please come. Welcome to Gastronomy channel, Adria Databanka, Croatia Info channel. So here I have fantastic cheese from Brač and excellent prosciutto ham from Brač. And for a beautiful glass of wine, I will need to wait for a while because it's boiling now. This is plavac mali, the famous type of grape here on the island of Brač. And people are making wine here on this island since Roman time. In vino veritas, in vino veritas, in vino veritas, in vino veritas. So now I suppose to speak the truth after all this veritas and after all this vino. Adria Databanka, Croatia Info channel is bringing you the best of Croatia. The best. This must be the best. In this time of year, you can participate in this fantastic magic. It's not necessary to drink wine, you are just inhaling this flavor, which is wonderful and magical. This is natural. This is real. This is Brač.